I discovered the top 5 prompts to put into Chat GPT if you're a creator wanting to utilize the power of AI to level up your content. The first one is to ask the chat for video ideas, but don't just ask for any normal video ideas because you'll likely end up with something that is completely out of your content niche. The power of this prompt comes when you get specific about the type of content, the type of video ideas that you want to receive. You want to ask for something that fits your audience. So like, here's an example of what I would ask for my old channel, which was all about aquariums and specifically keeping small, what are called nano reef tanks. Pretty powerful. I would have made a lot of these video ideas back in the day when I still had that channel if I had this resource. So give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. And I'm actually kind of curious, what type of content do you create? What would your super specific prompt for ChatGPT be? Leave it in the comment section below. The most specific, like the most exact one, I'm gonna pin at the top as an example for everybody else. The next prompt is super powerful to help you grow on YouTube by setting clear goals for yourself. Ask ChatGPT to give you SMART goals for a YouTube channel or a social media account with your statistics. SMART goals, S-M-A-R-T goals, are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that will help you progress in business and in life. This is a really helpful style of goal to have given to you so that you can track these things and be really specific about it. Once you get these goals from the AI, pick a couple of them to focus on and then ask ChatGPT to elaborate on how you can go about achieving those specific goals. This is a great way to keep track of your goals and continue progressing on YouTube or social media as a business. Now, we all have seen that ChatGPT can write scripts for your videos, but honestly, they're really terrible and inauthentic most of the time.
There she is, Lady Liberty.
That said, you definitely shouldn't just completely abandon the idea of a AI writing a script for you or helping you write a script. Instead of writing the full out script that you just read word for word, what I like to do is ask ChatGPT to give me key point scripts or outlines. Specifying this type of script allows the AI to do what it does best, which is source points and outline them nicely, organizing them all to like a congruent piece. While you can choose from this outline the points that are most relevant to you and your audience, and then go in depth in them using your voice and your experience. In the end, you should be left with a video that is much easier to create, but still authentically you, which is so important. Now, in my opinion, the making of the video is the fun part, but there's still a lot of really annoying stuff like uploading it and SEO. All of that is just a pain in the butt. I enjoy writing, I really do, but for some reason, I just cannot stand writing descriptions for my YouTube videos, and I never feel like I'm clever enough to come up with a good caption for Instagram. ChatGPT, though, can do this for you. Posting a cute photo of your dog, bam. Now let's get a description for this YouTube video. Pause the video now if you want to read the full thing, but it's actually not that bad. It definitely reads like an AI wrote it, but in my opinion, this isn't that bad because, let's be real, nobody is reading the descriptions on my videos or your videos or anybody else's videos. It's really just there for links and for SEO. And this isn't the only way that you can leverage ChatGPT to lift a lot of the weight and do a lot of the SEO research for you. One of the best ways to save time with AI in the video upload process is by asking ChatGPT to give you tags or keywords to use in your video's tag section. Tags are such a pain. Typing in 500 characters of words that you think you want it to rank for, the video to rank for, and search is just, it's really annoying, but you can just ask ChatGPT to give you 500 characters of tags or keywords, then copy them, paste them into your tag section in the upload UI, and it's done. It's as simple as that. This is a really good prompt to put in as a follow-up to your description prompt. You can just ask for tags for that video that you asked ChatGPT to write a description for. This is definitely the most efficient way of adding tags to your videos, totally for free. I highly recommend it. But if you want something that's even better and easier, you should check out this video where I review a tool called vidIQ that has a built-in tag generator right on the YouTube page. It's super cool, and it also utilizes AI to give you a lot of other resources. So check out that video if you're interested.